Let's get it, YouTube. All right, I'm back. On this video, I will be showing you how to remove the tank pad sticker if you no longer want it, or if it's damaged like mine. This is a way or a video showing you how to remove it. What I'll be using on this video: paper towel, alcohol, my microfiber cloth, and yes, a dryer, blow dryer. The purpose of this is to heat up the adhesive to allow this to be removed. Then I'll follow it by wiping it down real good with the alcohol and of course the paper towels to clean it. And then I will install the new tank pad. Okay, now let's get started. But before I start, one of my friends, it was funny, he text messaged me, he was like, "So man, when are you gonna ride your bike? All we do is shoot videos of you being a YouTube mechanic." And I agree with him, but the weather is bad. It's been raining the past couple of days, it's real slick out on the road, and it's just missing projects I've been wanting to do. And I figured, why not do this while it's raining? So that's why I hammered on my helmet. That's why I just did the windscreen. And that's why I'm doing this, because the weather's bad, so I figured why not knock this stuff out while the weather's bad. Oh, and of course, showed you the necessary importance of using two stands for maintenance like this. All right, let's get started. Sorry about that. And again, try to keep the videos as short as possible. And I'm starting off, I'm just gonna heat up this tank pad and just start peeling. There you go. Not a scratch. Fairing paint still looks good. All I'm gonna do now is wipe it down with alcohol to move like little excess, little adhesive, and put the new one on. All right, let me show you that. Just everything that you need. No right or wrong way to do this. Just clean. please be careful when you use the dryer, because you can burn your fingertips like I did. Okay. Now let's install the new one. And I would say line it up first to where you want it. Whether you want it low, you want it higher, totally up to you. What I notice is when I wear my belt, it tends to rub right along this center point. I don't want it to scratch up the fairing, so I'm gonna put the tank pad. I'm gonna install mine a little lower. You may want to install it a little bit higher. Perfect. It's all based off of your personal preference. Okay. So, again, that's how you remove and install your new tank pad. And the same thing would go if you had them on the sides, which I do plan on putting some on the sides. I won't shoot a video, but yeah, I just want to keep up with the Gixxer racing theme. Tires as well, the rims. Okay, I appreciate you guys hanging out with me, watching a little video. I promise you soon, real soon, you will see me and my buddies out on the road, riding around, you know, having a good time. And again, please subscribe, like, comment to my channel. Stay tuned for more videos. I appreciate everybody staying around and watching this with me. This is Junior signing off. Peace.